Good morning everyone presented here, my dear friends and my teachers. Today we are going to learn when people rebel 1857 and after. There was a massive rebellion in 1857. This rebellion was done by soldiers, and when soldiers disobey their senior officers, this is termed as mutiny.
Try to speak in Hindi. You can use English.
Mutiny.
Hindi is what?
Mutiny is termed as soldiers.
बड़ा थोड़ा सा. Mass of
Soldiers disobey their senior So this rebellion was also known as Mutiny rebellion. Why was this rebellion done? This rebellion was done on 10th May 1857. On 9th April 1857 there was a drill using a cartridge, but the fact was the cartridge was made up of fat from cows and pigs. As we know, Muslims can't touch the pig, and Hindu can't touch the fat of cow. So this all the Muslims and Hindu soldiers denied to do the drill. 84 soldiers were sent to court, and they were sent to jail for 10 years. And on 10th April 1857, all the soldiers rebelled against foreigners, also known as Firangis.
white people. British people. Okay, done.
Yes, Britishers. This rebel was started in Meerut. The Mangal Pandey, a legend hero of India, was a major reason was this also. The major hero of India, known as Mangal Pandey, was hanged off on 8th May 1857. All the rebellions from Meerut went to Delhi and armed to meet the Bahadur Shah Zafar. As we know, the Mughal ruler was known as the ruler of India. Why will the Mughal ruler Bahadur Shah Zafar will help the rebellion? The reason for this was in 1849, Dalhousie, the Governor General of India, told that the name of Mughals will be not minted in coin. Dalhousie removed Mughals from Red Fort and given another place in Delhi to live. Dalhousie declared that after the Bahadur Shah Zafar there will be no Mughal ruler, all will be princes. So Mughal ruler Bahadur Shah Zafar first was not ready to help the rebellion, but after some time he helped the rebellion. He wrote letters to many rulers of India, such as Nana Sahib, Birjis Kadri, Rani Lakshmibai, Tande Top, Rani Tantia Tope, Rani Anantibai. These were the major kings that was sent letters by Bahadur Shah Zafar. Many other Nawabs and rulers also joined the fight. But why they joined the fight? The reason was, as we know, British make policies to occupy the land of many Nawabs. Some Nawabs, because of these, policies and rules, some Nawab lose their authority and honor, they lose their armed forces. So they joined and thought that on behalf of Mughal they will also rule their territory. Not only rulers but many peasants and zamindars also joined the fight. Why will peasants join the fight? Because the peasants were not satisfied with Britishers, because of they had to pay high taxes. They have to take revenue from the old tax through the rigid method. If they fail to give the taxes, their land will be their forefather land will be given to someone other by auctions. Why? The major reason for the Sipahis to rebel was another reason was because of their low cost pay, very little allowance and condition of services. After this rebellion should started in 1824 because the Indian soldiers should go to Burma. There was a fight between Burma and Britishers. The Britishers said Indians to go to Burma by a sea route, but Indian soldiers declined and told no, we will go through land route, because there was a mythology in India that those who cross the sea, their religion will be changed. In 1856, the company made a new rule that sepoys will travel across the sea if required. Some other rulers who joined the fight was Ahmadullah Shah from Faizabad. He came to Lucknow to fight the Britishers. Bakht Khan from Bareilly came Delhi to fight the Britishers. Kunwar Singh, a Bihar zamindar, was fighting from his own land. In 1857, the rebellion was, as we know that if the company was very big, they take reinforcement from England and captured Delhi in 1857 and sent Bahadur Shah Zafar to jail on October 1858. Bahadur Shah Zafar died on November 1862 in jail. Lucknow was captured in March 1859. Rani Lakshmi Bai was killed in June 1858. Rani Avanti Bai was surrounded by Britishers and she chose to die by herself, not from Fringis. Tanita Tope used guerrilla. Tanita Tope flew from Britishers and went to tribals, and with the help of them he fought with guerrilla warfare and helped and he was also captured in April 1859 and he was died. After this Britishers made new rules and some rules are they allowed Christian missionaries to own land and properties. The company passed a new law that allowed Indians that had converted to Christian will get their ancestors' land back.
They try to teach English language in India to India.
Yes. The first rule that the British Parliament made was the British Parliament passed a new act in 1858 that transferred the EIC, East India Company shares to the England Queen, and the British Parliament British Cabinet was appointed Secretary of State for Indian and made responsible for all matters related to the government of India.
It means they are trying to make one constitution. They made one parliament also in Kolkata. That Kolkata, that parliament is only for the, we can say that.
Second, all rulers and chiefs were assured that their land will not be occupied by Britishers in future. Third, the soldiers of India was the recruitment of Indian soldiers were denied, and their recruitment English soldiers and they prefer to choose Gurkhas, Sikhs and Pathans as soldiers. They did not recruited soldiers from Awadh, Bihar, Central India and South India. The land and property of Muslims. The Britishers thought that the Muslims are the major threat for them. Fourth, the land and property of Muslims was constructed on a large scale and they were treated with suspicion and hostility. In the last, the Britishers respected to customary religious and made a new rule that no such activity of cartilage or any army activity will religious. Thank you and have a nice day.